Hello, my friends. Welcome to Home Decor Inspirations, a channel dedicated to interior design inspiration. What if I told you that your home could feel like a five-star retreat, even if you're working with a limited square footage? Often, we think luxury is a matter of size, but in a world of high-end design, luxury is a matter of intention. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your small spaces into a refined, high-performance environment that blends elegance, comfort, and purpose. We are going to explore how soft colors, clean lines, and rich textures can make any room feel like an inviting haven. Once you see these ideas, your home will never feel the same again. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button because if you love sophisticated interiors and elevated living, this channel is made for you. For too long, small homes have been viewed through the lens of limitation. But your home is where your ambition takes shape and where your energy is restored. It should inspire you every single day. Imagine stepping into a living area where everything feels light, airy, and beautifully elevated. In a compact living area, the secret is choosing pieces that feel light but still make a powerful statement. Luxury today is not about excess, it's about precision. We use soft neutral colors like white, cream, or beige to instantly open the space, while strategically placing black accents to add depth and sophistication. Low-profile sofas and layered textures create a cozy atmosphere without crowding the visual field. Every object must earn its place. A single sculptural vase, a modern lamp, or a glass coffee table keeps the room visually clean but rich in style. This approach ensures your living room feels intentional and grand. Moving into the kitchen, visual clarity is your best friend. In smaller spaces, luxury is found in the absence of clutter. We look for smooth cabinet fronts and open shelving to keep the environment organized and open. Introduce material sophistication through subtle details. Keep your counters clear to allow the architecture of the room to breathe. Use small, high-quality decor pieces, like a solid wood cutting board or a curated spice set, to add charm. When combined with well-placed, bright lighting, the kitchen transforms from a utility space into a modern, polished focal point of the home. In many high-end small homes, we see the rise of the dining nook concept. This is where the dining area blends effortlessly into the kitchen layout. To achieve this look, choose a compact table, round or slim rectangular, and pair it with minimalist European-style chairs. This keeps the space feeling light and modern. By adding soft materials, like cushioned seats in premium fabrics, you add comfort without the heavy visual weight. A simple, elegant centerpiece and warm, focused lighting above the table create an intimate atmosphere that feels like a private dining room in a boutique hotel. When we move to the bedroom, the goal is to create a serene base for relaxation. Simplifying the layout is the fastest way to achieve a luxurious mood. We begin with a palette of whites, warm neutrals, and subtle grays. A low bed frame and clean-lined side tables create a sophisticated environment that feels much larger than it is. Luxury is sensory. Layered textures, a heavy knit throw, velvet cushions, or sheer floor-to-ceiling curtains bring warmth and depth. By keeping the decor minimal, you allow the mind to rest. Thoughtful, dimmable lighting and a few personal, high-quality accents ensure the space feels like a sanctuary tailored specifically to you. In the bathroom, we treat the space like a spa-like retreat. It's all about the smart choice of finishes. Use a cohesive color palette to create continuity and make the room feel expansive. Add warmth with plush, textured towels, and subtle patterns. Floating vanities or slimline storage units are essential to keep the floor visible, which trick the eye into seeing more space. Soft lighting, a high-quality candle, and perhaps a single green flare complete the atmosphere. In a luxury bathroom, functionality and minimalism go hand in hand. A key pillar of luxury design is the layout and furniture arrangement. A high-end home considers the flow of movement. Start by keeping pathways open so the room feels easy to navigate. Position larger pieces against the walls to free up the center, giving the room a spacious, breathable flow. Use furniture with slim, raised legs to create a lighter visual footprint. Even a small adjustment, centering a table or shifting the angle of a chair, can make the entire home feel calmer and more refined. This is design with purpose. We also bring quiet luxury into the home through artistic touches. One well-chosen, large-scale artwork often looks more expensive and intentional than a gallery of smaller items. Choose pieces that feel modern and calming, perhaps a minimalist print or a soft abstract painting. These accents bring personality and elegance without overwhelming the room, making your home feel curated rather than decorated. Finally, true luxury in small spaces is impossible without smart storage. Clutter instantly shrinks a room and creates mental noise. Opt for furniture that doubles as storage. Ottomans with hidden compartments, benches, or bedside tables with deep drawers. The cleaner your surfaces are, the more high-end the space feels. Hidden storage allows your beautiful textures and decor to stand out. This balance between utility and beauty creates a home that feels spacious, polished, and genuinely luxurious. Now, take a moment and imagine this. You sit down in your favorite chair. The lighting is soft. The materials around you feel rich and intentional. There is no clutter, no distraction, just clarity and quiet confidence. That is the power of a well-designed home. It supports your lifestyle and your goals. Thank you for being here at Home Decor Inspirations, a world where elegance meets inspiration. Every video is crafted to bring you refined ideas and a fresh perspective on living. I hope these insights bring new warmth and creativity to your daily life. If you enjoyed this journey into luxury design, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others who love elevated living. Tell me in the comments, which room in your home are you planning to transform first? Thank you for your time. Until next time, take care, and I will see you in the next video, where we turn everyday spaces into extraordinary living.